Do you feel like your body isn't bouncing back like it used to? No matter how clean you eat or how many supplements you take? You're not alone. After 50, your body's repair system slows down, and many people don't realize why. Today, we'll uncover the secret to waking up dormant stem cells to restore your health, energy, and youthful resilience. Let me finish my colleague's journey. In her late 50s, she had everything going for her. Clean diet, supplements, exercise, yet psoriasis lingered for years. Menopause symptoms intensified. Chronic fatigue and brain fog persisted. Frozen shoulder and neck pain stayed. Even her best practices weren't enough until she discovered copper peptide GHK-Cu, the key signaling molecule that wakes up dormant stem cells. Once activated, these stem cells repaired damaged tissue, reduced inflammation, increased antioxidant production, and helped her body truly respond to nutrients again. Here's why this matters. Stem cells are your body's natural repair system. They can rebuild tissues, nerves, joints, and even organs. After 50, many stem cells go dormant. Without the signal from copper peptide GHK-Cu, your body can't fully utilize nutrients, antioxidants, or other supplements, no matter how clean your diet is. Reducing inflammation and optimizing liver function ensures your body can produce antioxidants naturally and regulate hormones, which are critical for energy, mental clarity, and overall wellness. Let me share 3 tips for activating dormant stem cells. Tip number 1, nutritional support. Feed your body with antioxidants, essential fatty acids, amino acids, and micronutrients that serve as building blocks for tissue repair and stem cell function. Tip number 2, believe that your body can regenerate, that age is not a limit, and dormant stem cells can be reactivated. Mindset affects cellular response. Tip number 3, use a signaling system like copper peptide GHK-Cu to wake up dormant stem cells, non-invasively, efficiently, and safely. This helps your body repair damaged tissues, reduce inflammation, and restore youthful function. If you've been frustrated that supplements, diet, and exercise aren't enough after 50, there is a way forward. A structured, step-by-step approach using copper peptide GHK-Cu can help wake up your dormant stem cells, repair damage, and restore vitality. Book your free 30-minute health consult and click the link in the description. A disclaimer: this is not a quick fix. Stem cell activation and tissue repair take time, proper guidance, and the right sequence of steps.